Hello everyone, welcome to SMA Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today in this video I'm going to share all the process and procedure we need to follow to pave the patio using interlocking concrete slabs. If you feel interested to this topic, keep watching this video and I hope you are going to enjoy a lot. Other than that, keep watching my other videos in my channel, and soon I'm going to upload lots of travel videos and I am sure you are going to enjoy those as well. If you guys have already subscribed this channel, welcome back, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel and keep watching my upcoming all the videos. So let's start the video. In my new house, I got a small backyard. I decided to make this area paved and make a nice and beautiful patio. In order to make that, I am going to use interlocking concrete slabs, and I collected all the materials from the Home Depot, and I am going to share everything and let you guys know what materials I am going to use and what the process I am going to follow. So guys, as you see here, this area is kind of unusable right now, and you see the grass, and I put the table in the center, and it's kind of inaccessible because the grass is growing. There could be different types of insects and bugs. So I'm going to pave this entire area, and after that the patio I'm going to make is going to be in a rectangular shape. So this is the total area, and my plan is to leave 2 rows of soil to be used for gardening. Now I'm going to show the plan I made to make this patio. If you see here, there is a walkway here, and already I have few slabs here. So my plan is to take out these slabs and settle this ground first, and then I will use these slabs again. You see this entire area is empty, so definitely I am going to need lots of more slabs. I bought around 15 red color slabs and 11 brick color slabs from Home Depot. To put these slabs on the ground, first we need to clear this grass and everything from this soil and settle down the soil a little bit, and then we will use a landscaping fabric at the bottom to control the width. After that we will use a limestone concrete. So now my main task is to clean this area. To collect this weeds, I am going to use this Home Depot bag because all the garden material goes into this bag for recycling purpose. Alright, so this way I am going to clean the entire area and see you after that. Now I will show you what tools we need to complete this task. First of all, we need a tamper. This is a tamper. I basically didn't buy it, I rented it from Home Depot, and the purchase price for this is around $65, but if you rent it they will charge you $20 including tax for 1 day. Next, I am going to use 2 bags of nails. These are plastic nails to be used on the soil. Next, I am going to use a piece of wood. It's a random piece of wood for leveling. Next, I am going to use this blade. We need to use this blade to cut different types of plastic. This is a garden cleaner. You see, like this, you can buy it from any kind of store, especially Home Depot or Canadian Tire. These are available. Next is this string. This is also for leveling. This is a leveler. This has a marker point which will help you to level the floor. This is the fabric to be used on the ground. It is called the landscaping fabric. It is available in the market in different sizes, so you can get it based on your project. It's a shovel. I bought it from Home Depot, and a pair of gloves. That's all, but if I use anything else, I will let you know later. But these are the main tools that I bought from the store to complete this task. So let's continue and complete this project. As you see here, I almost completed the cleaning task of this soil. I took out all the unnecessary part of it. Now I am going to just temper it and settle down this soil. So guys, now this is the time to lay down this landscaping fabric on the soil. It will protect this grass to come up. It's a good idea. Now I have to open this. We can put little bit extra on the corner, and it's good because it will protect the corners as well. We need to use a regular scissor to cut this fabric. So this is my fabric's end point, and I cannot go to this marker point. Now what I want to do, I will just assume the size of it and I will cut it here. So basically I am taking little bit extra that will cover this area, this gap. I will just cut the fabric little bit extra so that it will cover this area. So here we go guys, see. That's all, easy solution. Now I will lay down the next area. So now I have to do the same process. As you see, it already touched the air conditioner over here. Now I have a gap of this area, so I am going to cut the fabric little bit extra from here. This fabric is perfectly cut and placed. This time I will start from here, from the very edge of it. This is my another point of the left side. So I put the fabric here, and now I'm just laying down the fabric again. All right. So guys, this fabric will protect the patio from the weeds. This is very easy, and it costs me around only $26 or something like that. So it's a very less amount of money which will protect you in future. So it's very important to put this fabric. Now we will go to the next step. So guys, I lay down the limestone bags. I put 13 bags in total. Now I am going to open these bags and I will lay down this limestone screening properly on the fabric right now. At this point I need to use a piece of wood like this to level this area. So at this point guys, after laying down this limestone on the floor properly, we have to temper it again. This way it needs to be settled down properly, and we need to give some time to this task because this is very important for future. So at this point tempering is done. So guys, this is the borders for stones. You can see here these are sold in Home Depot, and these are not expensive, around $11 each. So it's very nice. Now basically the main purpose of it is to hold the stone inside the patio. Now I am going to use this blade to cut this based on our requirement. Okay guys, now we are putting the slabs one after another. Now I am going to bring another one. Okay. Easy and simple. So as you see guys, this is the first row of our patio, and now we are going to fill this up with the other slabs. It's very easy, only you need some time and energy, that's it. So finally we need to put some sand on the top of the slabs, and this sand will fill up the gaps of between those two slabs. This is EZ sand. So guys, finally we need to put some water, because this water will activate the sands that we put earlier. This sand will become hard and it will help the concretes to stick together. So now we need to put as much as possible water and wash these slabs properly. So guys, finally you can see that I finished the work. It was not a difficult job, but only thing is you need some strength and you need some time and effort to do this work, but technically this job is not a hard one. Now I want to summarize this process. Like in the very beginning, as you have seen, first I process the soil and then I make this soil settle. Then I put that landscaping fabric all over the place. Then I put the limestone on the top of the fabric. After that I lay down the limestones properly, and then I put the slabs one after another just to make sure the slabs are equal. You can use the levels, but it's up to you. I had that level, but I didn't use it because at the end I become a little bit exhausted, so I just lay down based on my assumptions. The design you can see in the middle, I mean the red color, this is nothing but the color of the slabs. When you buy the slabs, if you want to use this color or variation, I would say before buying the slabs, make your own plan and then buy your slabs and then lay down your slabs. The side I used, this is made of foam and I got it from Home Depot. These pieces are around $12 each. I used a special stone, just decorative stone, to fill up the gaps. This is a combination of different types of or different colors of stones. So these stones are also available in Home Depot and different types of stones are available. So finally guys, I finished this. I hope you got some information. So if you are interested to make one like this, you can of course go ahead and you can write me in the comment if you have any questions. I would love to answer your comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I enjoyed this too by doing this work. So thanks guys, that's all for now. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please consider to subscribe and click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.